Hello everybody, Gabriel Trevino here with Ron Hoover RV and Marine in Rockport, Texas. Coming to you with Leo Bliss.
Hey.
What's up, Leo?
How's
What do
it
we
going,
have here,
guys?
buddy?
We got us here a 21-foot Carolina Skiff with a 200 horsepower, 4-cylinder fuel-injected engine. Top of the line, ready to go. You'll get about 6,000 RPM at 55 miles per hour with the proper prop. It doesn't have that today, but we're working on it. We can get up to 50 miles per hour with the prop it's got on it now. It'll get you where you want to go. Your semi-shallow spots, your deep spots, whatever, all the fish you want to catch, you can get it with this bad boy right here.
So Leo, you're one of the techs here. How long have you been here with Ron Hoover, buddy?
I've been here a year and a half approximately. I've worked on plenty of boats, and these here are one of my favorites. They're luxurious, they're comfortable, they're not, you're not going to fall out of them like you would off of a cat.
Pretty high gunnels, huh?
Oh yeah, definitely.
All right, let's take a look at it, Leo. Let's go look at the motor over here. Tell me what you got going, man.
Okay, let's go this side, because it's easier. Follow. It's got a nice light color. It's soft. Blends well. Here's
Alright.
your engine. We got a 3-blade prop. It'll get you out of the skinny real quick.
What else we got back here, buddy?
It's got tilt and trim. This is what you play with when you're driving.
Nice.
Here's your navigation light, anchor light, ready to go.
And this is your Carolina Skiff. This is your 21 Ultra, right? This is the new one.
Yes,
Yeah.
brand new.
I think this one was the one that's here.
Factory equipped with a bimini top, so you'll have shade too.
Yeah, this one was here for about 2 days and got sold right away. We got 3 more coming in. Well, we got 3 in order, and I think we got 2 coming here to Rockport. And might be a 23 instead of a 21. But Leo, thanks a lot, buddy.
Thank you.
Great
guys.
job, man. I'll see you, bud. Bye.
See you again.